All right, folks, welcome to my class. Today we will talk about the chart reading, how many kinds of charts and how you read them. The first here, let me tell you something, which is called OHLC. That means open, high, low, and close. Now, this chart is called a bar chart. So these bars, as you can see, now each bar represents a time. In this case, each bar is 1 hour chart. Now this bar from here all the way up to there is, now this bar here to here, right, that's 1 hour. Okay, so in 1 hour bar, what is telling us here is the high, low, and open and close. So same thing here, the high price, the low price of that hour, and on the left side, this small bar, that's showing the opening price, and on the right side of the bar, this thing is showing us the closing price. So in simple word, high, low of the hour, and this is opening, and this is the closing. So the closing on the right side of the bar is opening, obviously, of the next bar. So this is the next hour bar, and in next hour, this is the open price, this is a high again, and this is a low, and this is the closing price. See, which is the opening price of the next candle again. So that's called the bar chart, which is quite easy and quite popular as well with a lot of traders, but it's your own personal preferences, to be honest with you. This is our second chart. It's called candlestick. So method is exactly the same, like the high price and the low price and opening price and the closing price. Now, in this candlestick, which is quite famous actually, this bit here is called shadow. This bit here. And this one here, it calls the body. So in the whole candle, is actually candle the Japanese style. The Japanese invented this. So the high price, the low price in shadows, and this is the body. The same thing here. This is whole. This is the body here, and these are the shadows. Right. Anyway, and this one here, this candle is actually representing 15 minutes. This is the scalpers normally use these small candles, short time candles. So what's happening is, this is again the high of the day and the low of the, I beg your pardon, high of the 15 minutes, low of the 15 minutes. And here, this is the closing price, the top side of the body. This and is a closing price, which is the opening price of the next candle. Like in the bar chart, there was a left and right. But in this one, in candlesticks, what happens is the closing price is the opening price of the next candle. So this is the opening price, and this is the closing price of this candle, because as you can see, the opening price of the next candle is the closing price of the first one. So the candlesticks are quite famous. They're very, very easy to use. You can change the color from blue to red or green. In this one, the blue color representing the price going higher is a bullish candle. And this one here, the red one, is a bearish candle, meaning the price was going down in this. So these are the bullish, the blue ones, and these are the bearish. Means that here the buyers has control in 15 minutes candle, and here the sellers has a control in that time. So this was the candle chart. Right, here we are, the third type of chart. Let me just clear all this. And let me get rid of all this. Now, this is a line chart. Normally, in every software have their different charts. Like the method is exactly the same. In this one, we have 3 lines. Normally, the line chart only represent 1 line. This line chart is quite good in showing all the prices and everything, the movement of, this one is like a 15-minute tick. You can actually change that, also change to a shorter time or a longer period of time. That's not the problem. But the problem with this chart is it's only show you the closing price. Now, this one here, the closing price of the 15 minutes. Okay, there you go. So, the line charts are normally used by some. It's not very popular, to be honest with you, but it's a method of the chart is exactly the same. This one is like, the opening price of 15 minutes. Sorry, this is the opening price, and this one is the closing price. But to be honest with you, normally a single line only show you the closing price of the time period you choose. So that's it for the charts now. Thanks very much. You have a lovely day.